Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Plan B Success. One of the most valuable tools you have in your arsenal is the ability to influence others through your words, behavior, and actions. Whatever you want to succeed at in life, be it business, career, or relationships, it's all about how you come across and influence others. We live in a society and transact with each other as a community. It's neither technology nor products that make the difference. It's people and what they can do with the former. Opportunities are tied to people, and you need to interact with them, work with them, gain their trust to ensure you give them what they need to get what you need. People like to work with others they can trust, who they can relate to, and are comfortable interacting with. Just being the best technocrat or having the gift of the gab is not enough. You may be great at what you do, but if you can't build and hold a relationship with others, your talent is but futile. No one can force another person to do their bidding or perhaps buy something from them without being able to build a bond of trust. You need to be able to convince another of a need before you can sell them a solution. Choice holds supreme in anyone's mind, and there are many for every challenge nowadays. Hence, the ability to relate and influence plays a big part in convincing someone that you're the best person to get the solution from. Think about your circle of influence and learn about how spread it is. What are the opportunities that lie in its realm? Find them and build on them through connections you can make to leverage them. Before you know it, there may be opportunities whose circles of influence overlap, and from there on, they can grow larger as well. To wield influence in your circle and to continue to expand that circle, build credibility. Say what you mean and do what you say. It can take a lifetime to build credibility and trust, and a moment to lose it. Guard it with your life. Building trust is the biggest ask of building and maintaining your influence. People need to know you as a hardworking and trustworthy individual with impeccable ethics. Consistency in what you do will back your reputation, help you wield your influence, and gain more opportunities. Don't fight to win the battles. Be ready to lose some if you want to win the war. Some fights are worth going after with all you have. Others just need to be ignored. Choosing what serves your higher purpose is key to wielding the right influence. People hate hearing objections without a resolution plan. Also, they want to know what the higher purpose is in every fight you pick. No one backs someone with an ulterior motive or after a personal gain. Always show up when you say so. Show up in totality and be present. Care to listen more and talk less. Being engaged shows others that you're intent and respectful of their time as well as their interests. When you do this, they'll be happy to return the favor. And when that happens, your influence is at work. Focus on personal development continuously. The more you learn, the more you earn. It may not mean in literal terms of money, but influence that translates into the currency you seek. If you're open to learning more, you can help make conversations interesting and meaningful. People have a newfound respect for the best brains in a conversation. It shows that you're willing to learn and apply, which is respected. Your circle of influence is determined by the minds in that circle, and you want the best. For that, you also ought to strive to be the best. When you align your intentions, communication, behavior, and values, you're bound to make the most of your circle of influence. Make choices that align with these and share them with others. People allow themselves to be influenced by those with whom their own set of intentions and values align. They respect and trust them. Value and uphold this no matter what. You will contribute and benefit immensely from such an ever-growing circle of influence. Hey, I hope you liked this episode. Go check out the others, and you'll find inspiring content there as well. And do share and subscribe and make sure you spread the word. Thank you.